Hello tech enthusiasts, and welcome to this deep dive into what is arguably the most complex consumer product manufacturing process ever attempted by humans. Today, we are not just looking at a device. We are witnessing the birth of the iPhone 18, a testament to what is possible when modern engineering meets an unrelenting passion for perfection. Our journey begins at a scale that is hard to fathom, the level of a single atom. Before a single component is assembled, millions of dollars are invested in material science research just to determine the exact properties of the raw ingredients. Imagine a pristine block of aerospace-grade titanium, selected not only for its weight-to-strength ratio, but for its precise grain structure. This block is meticulously shaved by diamond-tipped cutting heads that rotate at 50,000 revolutions per minute. The accuracy required here is measured in nanometers, a scale smaller than a strand of DNA. This level of detail is necessary because the iPhone 18 design is so compact that there is zero room for error. The slightest microscopic defect in the frame could affect antenna performance, structural integrity, or the waterproofing seal. As we cut the structural pathways, specialized chemical coolants prevent any microfissures in the metal, giving the chassis a surface that is closer to a mirror than a metal part. Every few seconds, the machine halts for a solid-state robotic laser inspection, verifying thousands of measurement points before the part can proceed. Once the physical structure is defined, the titanium frame enters the electrochemical anodizing chamber. Here, the deep space black color molecule isn't just painted on, it is locked into the crystalline lattice structure of the titanium itself. This creates a surface hardness that is difficult to scratch and a luster that will never fade. The complexity intensifies as we shift focus to the heart of the machine, the A-series bionic processor. Built using extreme ultraviolet lithography on a single crystal silicon wafer, this chip contains billions of microscopic transistors. The circuit lines are drawn with a precision that is equivalent to aiming a flashlight from Earth and hitting a specific dime on the surface of the moon. This wafer is then split into individual dies, each of which is microscopic and extremely fragile. High-speed robotic pick-and-place tools must grab these dies and set them with micron accuracy onto a multi-layered stacked logic board. The geometry here is incredibly tight. There are millions of silver solder deposits, applied through a precise stencil, that must create perfect electrical connections. A single misalignment could derail the entire component. This board then goes through a vapor phase reflow chamber, where just the right amount of heat solidifies the connections. The entire assembly is X-ray scanned to check the internal layers of this complex 3D puzzle. A hydrophobic polymer coating is then misted over the board, creating an invisible shield against moisture and dust. The front screen is its own production challenge. We take a premium ceramic shield glass panel and submerge it in a heated ion exchange bath. This is where large potassium ions are forced into the glass structure, creating high surface tension that makes the display incredibly impact resistant. The panel is then moved through a vacuum deposition chamber to receive its antireflective and oliphobic coatings. We bond this strengthened glass directly to the self-lit OLED matrix panel. The flexible ribbon cable for the display is then microlaser welded to the logic board. Every single display must pass an automated optical inspection that cycles through red, green, blue, and white testing screens. Integrating the components into the unibody chassis is the next critical stage. The triple-lens camera array, containing precise elements with emerald and violet coatings, is lowered in. Specialized calibrators then use focused light beams to align the sensor shift optical stabilization system. The high-capacity, L-shaped battery cell is folded into its protective casing and secured with pressure-sensitive adhesive pull tabs. The wireless charging coil is then dropped onto the battery core. The custom-stacked logic board is aligned, and its miniature data connectors are gently clicked into place. Micromanipulator hands drive grounding screws with proprietary torque. The haptic engine and the acoustic stereo chamber are placed, and graphite thermal management sheets are layered over the processor to distribute heat efficiently. Finally, a liquid rubber sealant is micro-injected around the perimeter. The front display is pressed into place under high pressure, and security pentalobe screws lock the unit together. Each unit is then power-on tested, pressure chamber sealed, and hand-buffed before receiving its final protective film. Then, a mechanical packaging arm folds the sustainable white cardboard retail box. Paper device trays are dropped in, and the white braided data cable is coiled and loaded. The vacuum arm lowers the finished, pristine smartphone face down into the tray. The minimalist lid slides down with the sound of displaced air, and tamper-evident paper seals lock the final pack.
We're on the cusp of something incredible in the AI world. To stay ahead of the curve, don't forget to subscribe right here for more elite tech breakthroughs.